Thai street food is a world of flavors, with dishes like pad thai and curries. Indian curry and naan bread are popular street foods in Thailand's cities. Spices like turmeric and cumin bloom in oil, releasing aromas and flavors. Onions and tomatoes are sautéed, adding depth to the curry sauce. Samosas are fried to a crispy golden brown, served with a side of chutney. Rice noodles are a staple in Thai cuisine, often served with a variety of curries. Cilantro and lime juice are added, balancing the sweet and sour flavors. Wok heat is essential for cooking Thai noodles, with quick stir-fries and tosses. Street food stalls in Thailand offer a wide range of dishes, from spicy curries to sweet desserts. Naan bread is torn and dipped into the curry sauce, a satisfying snack. Coconut curry is a key ingredient in many Thai dishes, adding richness and flavor. Pad Thai and Thai noodles are cooked to perfection, with a balance of sweet, sour, and salty flavors. Street food vendors skillfully balance sweet and sour flavors in Thai noodle dishes. Wok cooking techniques require precise heat control to achieve perfect doneness. Coconut curry adds richness to pad Thai and Thai noodles, a key flavor component. Indian curry and naan bread inspire Thai chefs to experiment with new flavors. Samosas are fried to a crispy golden brown, served alongside steaming curries. Rice noodles are stir-fried with spices, onions, and tomatoes in a wok. Cilantro and lime juice add freshness to the sweet and sour sauce. Wok tossing noodles requires quick reflexes and a keen sense of timing. Night market noodle stalls offer a wide variety of Thai noodle dishes to try. Vendors continually adjust their recipes to balance sweet, sour, and salty flavors. Thai street food woks are constantly in motion, cooking up a storm of flavors. Pad Thai and Thai noodles are cooked to perfection, a true harmony of heat and taste. Thai curries rely on a blend of spices, carefully selected for their flavor profiles. Indian curry influences are evident in the use of onions and tomatoes for added depth. Cilantro adds a fresh touch to many Thai noodle dishes, balancing the richness. Naan bread is often served alongside Indian curries, sopping up the flavorful sauce. Street food stalls in Thailand expertly prepare pad Thai, a stir-fry of rice noodles. Wok heat is crucial in cooking Thai noodles, quickly searing the ingredients together. Coconut curry sauce is a staple in Thai cuisine, made by blooming spices in oil. Frying samosas to a crispy golden brown is an art form in Indian kitchens. Tearing naan bread into pieces releases the aromas of the curry it's served with. Adding a squeeze of fresh lime juice elevates the flavors of Thai noodle dishes. Thai street food woks are constantly in motion, cooking up a variety of curries. Night market noodle stalls offer a wide range of Thai curries and noodle options daily. Indian cuisine's rich flavors have influenced Thai noodles and curries significantly. Spices like cumin and coriander are commonly used in both Indian and Thai dishes. Naan bread and samosas are popular Indian street foods that pair well with curries. Thai street food woks often cook pad Thai and other noodles with similar spices. Coconut curry is a key component in many Thai noodle dishes, adding creaminess. Onions and tomatoes are sautéed in oil to create a flavorful base for curries. Cilantro is a fresh herb used to garnish many Thai and Indian dishes, adding freshness. Rice noodles are a staple in Thai cuisine, often served with spicy curries and sauces. Indian kitchens often bloom spices in oil to release their aromatic flavors. Wok tossing noodles is a common technique used in Thai street food cooking. Frying samosas to a crispy golden brown is an art form in Indian cuisine. Adding a squeeze of fresh lime juice can balance the sweet and sour flavors perfectly. Night markets in Thailand offer a sensory experience of street food delights. Vendors skillfully prepare pad Thai, a stir-fry masterpiece of sweet and sour flavors. Wok heat is crucial in cooking Thai noodles to achieve the perfect texture. Coconut curry is a staple in Thai cuisine, made with onions, tomatoes, and spices. Street food stalls showcase the art of balancing sweet, sour, and salty flavors. Rice noodles are a key ingredient in many Thai dishes, including pad Thai and curries. Naan bread, although Indian, is sometimes paired with Thai curries for a twist. Cilantro adds a fresh touch to many Thai noodle and curry dishes, including pad Thai. Frying ingredients in a wok requires great skill to avoid overcooking or under-seasoning. Thai street food woks are often filled with the aroma of blooming spices in oil. Adding a squeeze of fresh lime juice can elevate the flavors of Thai curries. Pad Thai and other Thai noodle dishes are best enjoyed at night markets, fresh and hot. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.